Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to open Terabox video link with the app. So let's start. So first let's go to a server. In this case I would use Google Chrome. Then when we are on Google Chrome, just write here Terabox link. And then let's go to the first option that says Terabox downloader. So let's click there. And here you can only write your link, put here, and then just press download. When you do it, you can download the videos on Terabox without any problem. Then if you want to watch the video, just click again and let's go to Google, and then just scroll to the three dots in the right side and then just press the scope side. In this way you can watch Terabox videos without any problem, and now you can enjoy them. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.